Hello, how's everybody doing? It's Matt with Yinvest Investments Group. I want to show you real quick how to set up your pre-market scans and your during market scans, I guess if you want to call it. If you want to join our free chat room, it is in the description, and we can chat with us if you want to profit. And make sure you subscribe and like and comment if you want to know more, and you get all the new videos. So let's go through it real quick. I got my scanner here. I'm in the Thinkorswim platform. You click on scanner here. You won't have any of this. You're gonna have it's going to be set up to nothing. But what you want to do is you want to add a filter for stock. And I usually have 2 or 3 of these on here, so you just click add filter. It'll come up with the new filter. And then you put whatever you want. How do you want to search it? Do you want to search from the last price or the open price? You can go in here, last price, open price. You can do it based on the market cap. You can do it based on the close, ask price, bid size, sizzle index, whatever you want. I usually like to put on last price because that's what I'm looking at. I'm going to look for the percentage difference from the last close, or the last price basically. This is for penny stock specifically, so I put minimum of $150 last price, and the max is $50. And then I come in here, I add another filter, I put in volume. I put in a minimum of 200,000 and then a maximum of basically infinite. And then if you want to make this a pre-market scan, so you can scan this before the market opens, you add a study filter. You can go in here and put price change. That's what I use, price change. You price change from the close, and it's at least 3% more than 30 bars ago. So you can go in and change this to 100 bars or whatever bars. You can make this 10%, 20, 30% if you want, if you're doing penny stocks or something. And then you can come in here and change the time frame. So 30 minutes, and it's including extended hours trading session. So when you search for this, it's going to scan and give you all the stocks that meet that criteria. And it'll, if you only have like 10 on here for some reason, it's because it only has show 10. So you can come in here and put 2,000 if you want. I usually just put like 50 or so. And then you can, great, okay, there we go. And then you can, I filter this. You can click on what you want to filter it by up here. So if you want to filter it by market cap, you click on it, and then it'll give you from top down, the biggest one. I usually leave it on percent change from top down, so the arrow's down, and it'll give you the biggest movers of the day, so you can go off of that. And then you can come in here and click on this little cog wheel over here, and then you can click customize. You can go in and change whatever columns you want here. So if you want to have, let's see, come in here and you can change the momentum, or you can change it to price ratio, whatever you want. You just click add it, and you add it to the current set here. And then you can come in and you can move these around however you want them. I have bid, ask, high, low of the day, earnings per share, and then I guess that's for this. And then volume index, sizzle index. I don't really use those. I mostly use the net change in the volume and the percent change. And then the last price is over here, so you can see. Now, if, you can save these scanners, which is really nice. You just come up here on this little scan query menu, and you click save scan query, and you call it what you want, hit save, and then you can put this in your watch list, so it automatically updates in your watch list, so you don't have to go back from the scan to the charts to the scan to the charts to the scan to the charts to scan to the charts. It's just a pain in the ass. Okay. So what you do is you come in here, you add a new watch list, okay, or whatever you want to put it on, and then you click on your the watch list, and you go to you want to change it. You go to your personal ones, and it'll be under personal, and I have mine as pre-market scan, and then it's in there. I actually have it right here, pre-market scan. So you click on that, you go to personal, pre-market, whatever you called it, click on it, and then it'll be in here. You can click on percentage, so it's from the top down of the most percentage to the least, and then it automatically updates. So as something comes up the list, let's say GOL comes up the list, it'll be at the top if it's the biggest gainer for the day. And then you can have this set to a symbol link. So this is a yellow, and then I have my chart set to yellow, so then I can quickly just go through these and see which ones I want to trade for the day. Really quick, really easy, instead of having to go back and forth between the scan and the chart. And then I have another one here set up. Make sure when you click scan, you're on the stock hacker instead of these other ones. You might be like, wait, why is this not working right? Because you're not in the stock hacker thing. If you want to set this up for like swing trades and stuff, or just day, I have another one for just daily gains. Where is it? I have a day scanner in here too, which I just have to percent change 3% to 500%. It's basically the same thing, except it doesn't have the pre-market scanner on it, so it'll just show me it's the same stocks. But if you want to have that pre-market, if you want to scan before the market opens, then you got to put that. You have to put the study price change close before, and then extended hours, if you want to be able to check stuff before the market opens, or else it just won't give you anything because nothing really opened up yet. And that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any more questions, leave a comment or anything. Subscribe for the next video, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.